Unique design. UGREEN USB-C to USB-C cable with an innovative 90° L design, is much more convenient and more comfortable for playing games, watching videos, reading ebooks when you lie on the couch or bed while charging. Max 100W power delivery. Fast charging your USB-C laptops or smartphones at max 20V5A current, supports 100W, 87W, 61W, 45W, 30W, 18W power delivery PD rapid charging. Support 480 megabits per second data transfer speed. Broad compatibility. UGREEN USB-C to C cable compatible with MacBook Pro 15, MacBook Pro 13, MacBook, MacBook Air 2020, 2019-2018, iPad Pro 2020-2018, Google Pixel 2, 3/3 XL, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Note 9, S10, S10e, S10 Plus, S9 Plus, S8 Plus, Nexus 6P5X, Nintendo Switch, Huawei Matebook X Pro, Matebook 13, Chromebook, Dell XPS 13, Yoga 900720, ThinkPad X1, Razer Blade Stealth 2018, ASUS ZenBook 3, HP Spectre Notebook, etc. Premium quality. Solid and durable nylon braided cable ensures longer service life up to 10,000 bend. Double-sided USB-C connectors with overmolded strain relief are designed for frequent insertions. Aluminum housing, high-purity copper wire, triple shielding will keep long-lasting fast-charging performance. Safe and stable charging. Unique e-marker smart chip intelligently matches required current and gets rid of a ton of warmth. Double-sided USB-C connectors with hard rubber end are designed for frequent insertions and tight connection without disconnection. Top reviews from the United States. Great length and durability. Great cable. This cable works perfectly for linking Kessel A360 lights. Hooked them up so I could control them.